In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam api.dll file missing error. This is one of the most common and frustrating errors that PC gamers face when trying to launch their favorite titles on Steam. You might be clicking play only to see an annoying pop-up telling you that a specific dynamic link library file is missing from your system, preventing the game from starting entirely. The good news is that you do not need to download sketchy files from random websites to fix this. In fact, Steam has a built-in feature that handles this for you automatically. This method is the safest and most effective way to restore your game files without risking your computer's security. If this video helps you get back into your game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tech guides. To get started, go ahead and open your Steam client on your desktop. Once the application is open, navigate to your Library tab at the top of the interface. This is where all your installed games are listed. Scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the specific game that is currently giving you the DLL error. Once you have located the game, right-click on the game title in the left-hand sidebar. From the drop-down menu that appears, move your cursor down and click on Properties. This will open a new settings window specifically for that game. Within the Properties window, you will see a list of tabs on the left-hand side. You want to look for and click on the section labeled Installed Files. In this section, you will see a few different options related to your local data. The button we are looking for is titled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that button now. Once you click it, Steam will begin a scanning process where it compares the files currently on your hard drive with the official files on the Steam servers. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive. During this scan, Steam is looking for any missing, modified, or corrupted data. If the Steam api.dll file is indeed missing or has been accidentally quarantined by your antivirus, Steam will identify the void and automatically download a fresh, clean copy of the file directly into the correct game folder. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the verification is complete. Just sit tight and let it finish its work. Once the validation is 100% complete and any necessary files have been reacquired, you will see a message confirming that all files were successfully validated. At this point, you can close the Properties window. Now it is time for the final step. I highly recommend that you completely restart the game by clicking the play button. In some cases, you might even want to restart the Steam client entirely, just to ensure the new library files are properly initialized by the operating system. You should now find that the missing error has disappeared and your game launches perfectly. This method works because it restores the official developer-signed files rather than using unofficial DLLs, which can often contain malware. If you ever run into this issue again with another game, you now know exactly how to handle it in just a few clicks. If this walkthrough solved your problem and saved your gaming session, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game.